we have 168 divided by 4. Now counting up in steps of 4 until we reached 168 would take us a very long time. So instead, let's count up in steps of 10 times 4, so in steps of 40. So 10 fours take us to 40, another 10 fours gives us 80, then 120, then 160. Now adding another 10 fours would take us to 200, and that would be too many. So let's stop at 160. And now, rather than counting up in steps of 10 times 4, we can just count up in steps of 4. So 1 4 takes us to 164, and another 4 takes us to 168. So we counted 10 steps of 4 4 times, so we counted 40 steps of 4, and then we counted 2 steps of 4, so altogether we needed 42 fours to get to 168. So 168 divided by 4 equals 42. Now we have 189 divided by 3. So rather than count in steps of 3 all the way up to 189, what can we do? We can count in steps of 10 times 3, or in steps of 30. So we have 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, and now another 10 threes, another 30, would take us to 210, and that would be too many. So let's stop at 180. So what do we need to do now to reach 189? We can count on in steps of 1 times 3, so in steps of 3, and that gives us 183, 186, 189. So to get to 189, we counted in steps of 10 times 3, 6 times, so we needed 60 times 3 to get us to 180, and then we counted on another 3 steps of 3 to get us to 189. So altogether, we counted on 63 steps of 3, so 189 divided by 3 equals 63. Now pause the video and see if you can work out 270 divided by 5. So rather than counting in steps of 5 all the way up to 270, let's count in steps of 10 times 5, so in steps of 50. We have 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, and we don't want to count on any more 50s. Why don't we want to continue counting in 50s? Well, another 50 would take us to 300, and that would be too many. So instead, let's count in steps of 1 times 5, So in steps of 5, we have 255, 260, 265, 270. So we counted in steps of 10 times 5, 5 times, so 50 fives got us to 250, and then we counted on another 4 steps of 5 to get to 270. So altogether, we counted on 54 steps of 5, so 270 divided by 5 is 54.